Welcome back to Everlea Journal, where the seasons guide us and the garden is always calling. The air is warm, the bees are busy, and time seems to slow just enough to notice the little things. But what does a whimsical garden need this month to bloom? Today, let's walk through the gentle garden tasks that June offers. The ones that invite you to tend, to sow, and to savor. Yes, you can still plant in June. In my May to-do list video, I talked about direct sowing zinnias, cosmos, nasturtiums, dahlias, and sunflowers. For some fast-blooming annuals like zinnias or cosmos, you can even do another round of sowing in early June to extend your bloom season further into fall. Now in June, you can add marigolds, alyssum, strawflower, spiderflower, and portulaca. Just keep in mind, June can bring warmer and drier weather. Keep the seedbed consistently moist until seedlings are well established. If you'd like more info from this video, please visit the blog post. I'll link it in the description. And if you're growing vegetables, in May I talked about planting beans, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Now in June, you can add squash, both summer, like zucchini, and winter, like pumpkins and squash. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also add melons, carrots, radishes, turnips, and rutabaga. Also think about succession planting. Sowing another round of lettuce or green beans keeps your harvest going strong into summer. These are the simple rituals that will bring tomorrow's harvest closer. In June, the sun climbs higher and the garden gets thirstier. Deep watering just once or twice a week is far better than a daily sprinkle, and your roots will thank you for it. Plan your watering for the early morning. This simple task will nurture sturdier, more resilient plants. I'm going to try deep watering because I've gotten tired of watering every day. The only thing is, I haven't figured out how long exactly to do it for. Here are a few notes I found. 1. 30 minutes can add $5 to $10 to your water bill, so I was thinking about trying 15 minutes. 2. If you have clay soil or the ground is super dry, you might get runoff. In that case, try watering for 5 minutes, wait 20 minutes, then continue. June is when things begin to spill over. Let yourself gather herbs for drying, clip lavender for a dreamy drawer sachet, or snip a few cosmos for the kitchen table. Also, this is the perfect time to add a fragrant lemon balm near your seating area. It's those small garden tasks that make the whole space feel magical. Snip away spent blooms from roses, cosmos, and snapdragons. This keeps the flowers coming and the garden looking fresh. If you're growing herbs like basil or mint, give them a little pinch. It'll help them grow fuller and bushier. And don't forget, if your lilacs or forsythia have finished flowering, now's the time to prune them back gently. This is tending and enjoying all at once, a quiet celebration of what your garden gives. As you wander through your garden, take a moment to peek beneath the leaves. Sometimes tiny visitors like aphids or caterpillars hide there, or a soft dusting of powdery mildew might appear. There's no need for alarm, just quiet tending. Marigolds or nasturtiums are cheerful little companions that help deter pests naturally. They help keep the balance both beautiful and wise. And if a plant needs extra care, a simple organic spray like neem oil works well. Soft on the garden, kind to the bees, and in harmony with your whimsical world. Now for the fun part, harvest time. June brings early joy in the form of strawberries, herbs, and leafy greens before the sun grows too bold. Clip your lavender for drying, pick fresh mint for tea, and snip your greens before they bolt in the summer heat. These are the garden tasks that connect us to the rhythm of the seasons and fill our kitchens with beauty and purpose. Take a moment to check your tall bloomers like foxgloves or delphiniums. If they're starting to lean or sway too far, offer them a bit of support. And your best time to weed is after a rain. The earth is soft and so the roots come right up. A satisfying kind of quiet magic. As for edging your garden paths or flower beds, it may seem like a small thing, but it lends to a touch of gentle order. a sense that this whimsical garden grows wild with intention. And now let's talk beauty, the quiet kind that makes you pause and smile. June is the perfect time to add those whimsical garden touches that bring joy to the everyday. Perhaps a bird bath nestled among the blooms, a ceramic frog keeping watch beneath the leaves, or a tiny fairy garden tucked shyly under the lavender. These moments of play are just as important as any garden task. Try planting scented herbs near your bench or patio. Lemon balm, thyme, or lavender, or even rosemary. As evening falls, their fragrance lingers in the air, gentle, calming, a breath of magic just before twilight. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your cottage-core journey, June offers the perfect balance of tending and delight. These garden tasks aren't just chores, they're rituals. Quiet, whimsical ways to connect with the land and yourself. If you love this gentle guide to the season, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a fellow garden dreamer. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite part of the June garden? Happy gardening!